The front end sets the tone for the entire build. If this is wrong, nothing else matters. Nothing. Alright, what's up you guys? Today we're officially back to the drawing board with the S2000 for the front bumper. We're going to be brainstorming some ideas so we can see if we can match the front of the car to the rest of the car. We weren't just really feeling it, so we're going to brainstorm some ideas, see where we go with this. Let's get right into it.
You've been working on this all morning already. What's going on here? What we got going?
Got an early start. I was feeling it. I went with the flow, but then I stepped back and I didn't see what I saw then, and I'm going to make some changes. I'm not too sure how this is going to look, but I have to start somewhere.
Yeah, let's see where it takes us.
Out a little bit,
Yeah,
so that I need where this has to look nice and uniformly. What do you think of it?
yeah, it looks good. It's coming along.
So now let's make a mix. Make them clap to the record this.
Nothing on a build is ever really set in stone, especially in the beginning. Sometimes ideas start out looking weird, unfinished, even wrong, but that's part of the process. When you step back and look at things from different angles, different perspectives, the direction starts to reveal itself. What didn't make sense at first begins to connect. The lines start to work. The messy stage, that's where the vision actually forms. And once you see it, you don't hesitate, you commit, and you go full speed ahead. Because builds aren't about getting it perfect the first time. They're about chasing the right direction until everything clicks.
All right, Rick, what's going on here? What you got going on? What's
So
this?
I had those existing lines, but I wasn't too comfortable with them. I added more material. I blocked the material, and then as I did that, I saw something and I ran with it. I kept adding more to it. It took me maybe 3 times to build it up to this, but this is where I'm going to be. This is the step from this to this, and then I'm fading down to this, and then to the front. This is what we're gonna go with. But it was a nice flow. I got lucky on this one. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it flows right, and sometimes it doesn't. I got lucky. I like this a lot. We're gonna finish that today. So now I'm gonna shape it.
How we looking like over here, bro?
Pretty good. I'm experimenting with this side right here, trying to see where I can extend this flow, how far I need to go with it. I can easily overdo it. I'm trying not to. If it doesn't work, I'll remove it. But I seem to have a little bit of leftover material. And I'm gonna keep playing with it until I...
How we feeling, huh? How's it coming along? What do you think? What do you think? Speak to the people. They want to hear.
It's a rough draft. It's an idea of where we can go with this. We'll see.
What's the next step we're gonna do right now? Or what?
We're gonna prime it to get a picture of how the lines flow. Right now there's a lot of color in here. It's not easy to the eye. The primer will make it all one color uniformly. You will be able to see if we're ready for the primer. Yeah.
This is what we came up with for today. This is where we're gonna pause for the day. We got pretty far. It's looking really good. I really like this side right here. All this right here looks really good. We're gonna play with this a little bit more, and we're probably even gonna do it to the other side to see what the final look is, because it's hard to picture it without the other side. I can for sure picture that side. This middle part is the one where it's a little bit trickier. I do like how this line kind of follows into the right here. That's one thing that I like about that. That whole line follows down into the grill. We're gonna definitely play with that, do it to the other side, and then see how it looks at the end. That's gonna be it for today, guys. It's coming along really great. Rick is getting down with it. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.